Hello YouTube people. In this video I show how I repaired the Broan Nutone bathroom exhaust fan. Please smash that like button if you like this video. The tools and supplies needed for this project are a ladder, screwdrivers, ratchet and socket set, the Endurance Pro universal fan motor, extension cord, hammer, and safety goggles. The following are pictures of the vent cover, fan enclosure, 696N fan housing, fan, and the motor. Before working on the fan, I turned off the circuit breaker and the power switch to the fan. Wearing safety goggles, I removed the vent cover by grabbing the edges and pulling it down. There's two V-shaped clips that have to be squeezed in order to remove them from the slots in the fan housing. The two clips can fall out from the cover very easily, so if the vent cover needs to be cleaned, it's recommended that they be removed and kept in a safe place so that they don't get lost. The fan is unplugged and there's one or two screws that have to be removed. The fan housing is removed by pulling down on the side where the electrical plug was. The bolts for the old motor were removed using a 1/4 inch socket wrench. The plastic fan is removed by holding the fan and hammering the axle. Next, the claw side of the hammer is used to remove the fan. The screws on the new motor have to be removed. The new motor is then placed on the underside of the fan housing as shown in the The new plastic fan is then hammered onto the axle until about 2 millimeters of the axle has passed through the fan. Check that the fan rotates smoothly. I hooked up the extension cord to the fan and verified that it operates correctly. Before reinstalling the fan, I checked that the valve in the enclosure is still working. To put the fan back into the enclosure, I pushed the fan housing into the enclosure, starting with the tabulated side. The screw is then secured and the fan is plugged into the outlet. I then turn on the breaker and the fan switch to test the fan. The power switch to the fan is then turned off and the vent cover is placed back on. And then the fan is retested. Please help support the channel and click the like button and the subscribe button. In the description below this video, I've added some affiliate links to some of the supplies used for this project. Thank you for watching.